In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Temu sourcing works and how you can unearth the suppliers behind those intriguing product listings. If you've ever been curious about where your Temu products are sourced from, or perhaps you're scouting ideas for your own business, understanding this process can be incredibly insightful. First off, let's talk about Temu's sourcing model, which is quite distinctive. Temu primarily operates with a direct from manufacturer approach. What does this mean? Well, often the sellers you encounter on Temu are Chinese factories or small manufacturers rather than brand name distributors. These suppliers usually offer low priced items, and they are engaged in a dynamic market space where pricing competition is quick and fierce. This model not only keeps costs low, but also fosters a rapidly evolving marketplace that benefits buyers by offering variety and competitive pricing. Moving on, Temu isn't solely focused on far off lands. They have implemented what they call a local seller program. This initiative includes suppliers based in regions like the US, the UK, Europe, and other key markets. Why does this matter? By incorporating these local sellers, Temu enhances shipping speeds and better caters to local buyers' preferences. It's a strategic move aimed at improving user experience by reducing waiting times and ensuring products are tailored to local tastes and needs. Now let's uncover how you can find the suppliers behind those Temu listings. One effective method is to use image searches. You can go to platforms like Alibaba or AliExpress and perform a reverse image search with product photos from Temu. Imagine finding a product you like on Temu. You can take that product image, upload it on Alibaba, and usually you'll find listings of that same product from various suppliers. It's like a treasure hunt where the prize is getting direct contact details and pricing directly from the manufacturer. This technique can uncover identical or similar items listed by multiple sellers, providing you with additional purchase options and even opportunities to compare prices. Another useful strategy involves leveraging product details and reviews found on Temu. While Temu doesn't let you directly search by the seller's name, there are ways around it. By searching using the product names or categories, you can glean a lot from the details provided. Descriptions and buyer reviews are indeed treasure troves of information. Shoppers sometimes mention store names or even share additional links, either in admiration or caution. This data helps you spot recurring patterns and can even tie certain products back to their original sources. By combining these strategies, you'll not only enhance your understanding of Temu's sourcing process, but also sharpen your ability to navigate this expansive marketplace effectively. Whether you're a curious buyer or an aspiring entrepreneur, knowing the ins and outs of sourcing is a valuable skill. Thanks for tuning in and happy exploring.